Algorithm. An algorithm is a set of steps sequentially to solve a problem or to complete a task. These steps are the foundation of a program. They are important to programming as recipes are for cooking. Writing an algorithm. The construction of the algorithm is the stage that requires creative thinking and finding the best possible combination of steps to get the result. For example, Example 1. Algorithm for going to the market to purchase a pen. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Check your wallet for cash. Step 3. Go to the market. Step 4. Go to the stationery shop. Step 5. Ask for your favorite pen. Step 6. If the pen is available, then go to step 7, otherwise go to step 10. Step 7. Give money to the shopkeeper. Step 8. Keep the purchased pen safe. Step 9. Go back home and go to step 12. Step 10. Ask for any other brand of pen. Step 11. Go to step 6. Step 12. Stop. Example 2. Complete the algorithm to find sum and product of three numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read, input the three numbers as A, B, C from the user. Step 3. Find sum is equal to A plus B plus C. Step 4. Find product is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Step 5. Print sum and product. Step 6. Stop. Natural fact. Just as a peacock's call can signal upcoming rain, computer algorithms can predict future events based on data patterns.